Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel again. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well and subscribe now. Yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you something very important. If you are using PayPal, I see that this particular solution I want to render now is not just limited to only Africa. I think all PayPal users experience that shit. So I'll be giving some hacks on what to do when you experience it. I'm very sure if you are very current in using PayPal, if you use PayPal often, you will have encountered this problem that whenever you want to maybe you want to log in, it will say, sorry, we cannot confirm it's you. Cannot confirm it's you. And you try to change your password, it still show the same thing that, sorry, we cannot confirm it's you. Or you are trying to send payment to someone and it shows, sorry, we cannot confirm it's you. Or you are trying to do one or two things, maybe logging in from a new device or something, and it's showing that error. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what to do when you experience that thing. It's something I've tried so many times and I've helped people to do also. So first thing first, and I want you to do that now as you are watching this video. If you are using a PayPal account, I want you to go and write down the address on your PayPal account. If you are in Nigeria, sorry, if you are in Africa, okay, don't let me generalize it. In Nigeria, most of people that use PayPal in Nigeria don't use their real address. So it's something that they can easily forget. They use address that they can easily forget. So, and for this hack I'm about to give you to work, there are some security questions they will ask you and you have to provide it. If you don't provide it, this will not work for you. So part of this is that you go and write down the address, the residential address on your PayPal account. That's number one. If you have a card or a bank linked to your PayPal account, go and write the last 4-digit number down, maybe on your jotter or somewhere that you know that you can easily locate it. Very, very important. And at the same time, okay, I think everybody should know the name on their PayPal account. So whenever you experience that kind of challenge, what you need to do is that you go to, once you want to do something and you experience that, it bring out that error. Under it, you see something like need help with question mark. So all you just have to do is to click that need help. When you click it, it will direct you to a page, and that page is called contact page. But there are some things you need to do. Okay, before I proceed, what you want to achieve now is when you experience that shit, what I hope YouTube will not ban this video with this language I'm using. Okay, so once you experience that error, once you experience the error, what you need to do is that what you want to do is that you want to chat PayPal customer support. And don't forget, you cannot chat them if you are not logged into your PayPal account. But I'm going to be showing you how you can chat PayPal support immediately, like live chat, even when you are not logged into your PayPal account. So once you get to that error page, click the need help and it will direct you to the contact us page. On that contact us page, you will see something like password and login issue. So you click it, it will direct you to another page. On that page again, you see something like login problem. So you click that one too. So now it will direct you to a page where it will ask you to log in. And under that, it will show you something like login as a guest, like chat as a guest. You understand? So that's the option you are going to click. So with that option, you can chat with PayPal live on their live chat without you logging in. But note, immediately you start chatting with them, they will ask you some security questions and you have to provide it correctly, including your address. If the number of your house is number 56 and you go and tell them it's number 55, they will not attend to you. It has to be correct, very correct. That's why I'm telling you now, and I'm advising you to go and write down your PayPal, the address on your PayPal account, for in case of issue like this. When issues like this happens, you will not be needed to run around, like, so that you can easily solve it. So they will ask you questions, and most of the time the question that they will ask you is either your Okay, they will first ask you for the name, the full name on the paper, so you have to note that the full name. They will ask for the email associated with the paper. So if you have different emails associated to the paper, I will suggest you give them the primary email. So you give them the primary email of your paper, then most cases they will ask for the last four digits of your bank if you have a bank link to it, or last four digits of your card, that's if you have card. But in a situation whereby you don't have a card linked to it, or you don't have a bank link to it, they will ask for your residential address, and that address you have to provide it word for word how it is written in your PayPal account. So if you can provide that, then they will render help to you. And what is the help they are going to render to you? They are going to help you send a password recovery link to your email, and they will tell you to change your password. So once they send the recovery link to your email, all you just have to do is to change your password. You understand? Change your password and you'll be able to log in. But in a situation whereby after trying this you are unable to log in, that means your account need need a serious attention. So all you just have to do is what? You don't force it. You leave the account for sometimes, maybe for like 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. So after that, you can try logging in again with your new password, and it will work. This is something I've tried several times. So I believe this help. And if you have any PayPal solution you want me to talk about here again, just type in the comment section and I'll make a video on it. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Do that now. Thank you.